In this video, we will discuss important tips and strategies to safeguard your identity and credit score while navigating the online world. With the ever-increasing incidence of identity theft and cyber fraud, it is crucial to take proactive measures to protect yourself. We will cover various topics related to online security, including the importance of strong passwords, recognizing phishing attempts, monitoring your credit, and utilizing secure online platforms. Stay tuned to learn how you can keep your personal information safe and maintain a healthy credit score in this digital age. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to explore the vital topic of protecting your identity and credit score online. In this digital age, it is crucial to be aware of the potential risks and take necessary steps to minimize them. Join us as we dive into some valuable tips and strategies to keep your personal information safe and maintain a healthy credit score. Let's get started. Importance of strong passwords. One of the first lines of defense against online threats is having a strong password. Weak passwords can easily be compromised, which gives hackers access to your personal information and financial accounts. Creating secure passwords. To create a strong password, consider incorporating a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using obvious personal information such as your name, birth date, or pet's name. It's also advisable to use separate passwords for different online platforms to prevent a single breach from affecting multiple accounts. Implementing two-factor authentication. An additional layer of security is implementing two-factor authentication whenever possible. This method requires a second form of verification, such as a unique code sent to your smartphone or email, to access your accounts. By enabling this feature, even if your password gets compromised, hackers won't be able to access your accounts without the secondary code. Recognizing phishing attempts. Phishing attempts are prevalent in the online world and can trick you into revealing sensitive information unknowingly. It is essential to recognize these attempts to protect yourself. Check sender's email and link validity. When you receive an email or message requesting personal information, always double-check the sender's email address and the validity of any included links. Phishers often create convincing replicas of official emails and websites, hoping to deceive unsuspecting individuals. Be cautious and avoid clicking on suspicious links or providing personal details unless you are absolutely certain about its legitimacy. Hover over links. Whenever you suspect a link's authenticity, hover your mouse cursor over it to see the actual website address it leads to. Sometimes, the text of the link may display one address, but hovering over it reveals a completely different one. If the linked website seems suspicious, it's better to avoid clicking on it altogether. In addition to these tactics, here are 5 examples on how to recognize phishing activity online. 1. Suspicious email or message content. Phishing attempts often involve emails or messages that appear to be from reputable organizations but contain suspicious content. Look for grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, generic greetings, urgent requests for personal information, or email addresses that don't match the official domain of the organization. 2. Unfamiliar or misleading URLs. Phishing websites often use deceptive URLs that imitate legitimate ones. 2. Carefully check the URL in the address bar of your browser for any misspellings, additional numbers or characters, or unusual domain extensions. 3. Requests for personal information. Phishing attacks commonly aim to trick you into providing personal or financial information. Be wary of unexpected requests for sensitive data like passwords, social security numbers, credit card details, or login credentials. 4. Urgency or fear tactics. Phishing emails often create a sense of urgency or fear to prompt immediate action. They may claim your account will be closed, your information is compromised, or you'll face penalties if you don't respond promptly. 5. Poorly designed or unprofessional communication. Many phishing attempts exhibit signs of low quality or unprofessionalism. Remember that these are general indicators, and phishing techniques can evolve over time. Always exercise caution, verify the authenticity of requests independently, and use additional security measures like two-factor authentication to protect your online accounts. Monitoring your credit regularly. Monitoring your credit reports on a regular basis is crucial for detecting any unauthorized activities promptly. Check credit reports. Make it a habit to review your credit reports from the major credit bureaus at least once a year. Consider credit monitoring services. Credit monitoring services can provide an added layer of protection by constantly monitoring your credit information and notifying you of any significant changes or potential risks. In addition to these actions, here is a more comprehensive list of 5 ways to monitor your credit online. 1. Credit monitoring services. There are several reputable credit monitoring services available that allow you to regularly track your credit score and receive alerts about changes or potential fraudulent activity. 2. Credit card issuers. Some credit card issuers provide free access to your credit score as a benefit of being their customer. 3. Credit bureaus. The three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, provide access to your credit reports and credit scores. 4. Personal finance websites. Several personal finance websites offer free credit monitoring services. Examples of such websites include Credit Karma, Credit Sesame, and Wallet Hub. 5. Online banking platforms. Many banks and financial institutions now include credit score monitoring as part of their online banking services. Remember to review your credit reports from all three major credit bureaus at least once a year to check for any discrepancies or errors. Utilizing secure online platforms. When it comes to online transactions and sharing personal information, it's important to utilize secure platforms to minimize the risk of data breaches. HTTPS and secure websites. Ensure the websites you share sensitive data with have HTTPS encryption. The HTTPS prefix in the website address indicates that the connection between your device and the website is secure. Additionally, look for trust indicators such as lock icons or verified badges to ensure you are on a legitimate and secure website. Be cautious with personal information sharing. Only provide necessary personal information on trusted and secure websites. Avoid sharing sensitive details such as your social security number or credit card information unless it is absolutely required. That's a wrap for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful in protecting your identity and credit score while navigating the online world. Remember to create strong passwords, be vigilant against phishing attempts, monitor your credit regularly, and utilize secure online platforms. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly reduce the risk of identity theft and maintain a healthy credit score. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and secure online.